Snap out of your fantasies already.
Rengoku, you're not dying, right? Please tell me you're not.
Eye.
que se están por morir todos.
Broken bones.
Look at that smile.
Oh my god. Really?
Oh wow.
¿Y Zenitsu y la otra dónde están? ¿Por qué no vienen? ¿Qué
No,
estuvieron todo
man.
este tiempo en la pelea?
Oh
Salvando a
my
la gente,
god.
diciendo
So
por
yeah,
lo
it was
menos.
the guy's arm. He
Oh
left his
my
arm in
God,
there.
this
Okay,
is
that's right.
crazy.
Right. I was
My
gonna say
eyes,
someone's like
I
sticking out his
swear
back,
it
Wow.
hurts, bro. I
pushing
can't
his
see
Holy
people.
crap. I did not go into this
The
movie
crow's ear.
thinking that we were going to lose a whole Hashira, dude.
Una ayudita, ¿no?
well,
Somebody's
Tipo,
dead?
Where are the people? Oh, the crow.
a un equipo
His
médico.
brother?
And what are the other Hashira gonna think?
Rengoku residence?
Okay.
The Rengoku residence?
Go to my
Oh.
home.
Giving him a hint. Nice.
What?
Arms going away from the light. Yes.
His dad might know.
And actually holding the
Oh
blood back.
no.
No,
Oh
se quedó
wow,
solo
the
con el
arm
sí.
was holding the
Con la
blood.
mano
It was
arriba,
stopping the
súper
blood
abierta y
from.
empieza a
Oh my
caer
god.
sangre.
Yeah.
And now that it's
go
the
right
gone.
ahead.
arm is disappearing. The wound
Sí, es
is
un
just
puto agujero así.
so
¿Cómo
huge.
Wow.
una respiración va a
Mhm.
hacer que un agujero así no sangre? Si es un agujero chiquitito, puede ser.
Bugger.
Say what you gotta say.
Oh my god, guys, this is hard,
Yep.
bro.
Rengoku. Cool guy. Weird, but I liked him. These boar guys break it down.
No me la conté. Ay, mira cómo se le tiene la ropa.
You guys bleed?
Wow.
She finally sifted
Oh, that's nice. That I like.
Al
So
principio
now
querías
we have
matar.
3 Hashira.
None of the Hashiras respected her.
Oh, that's nice.
Rengoku, Shinobu,
Oh my god.
and Gyu.
He finally respect her.
Yo, he's still his younger brother
She's
is
earned
still
his
alive.
respect.
No, mira,
This is a true character, bro.
Let's go.
con todo el sombreado y todo el buen dibujo. Ya saca.
My God, that must mean the world.
Set your
to
heart
have
ablaze.
someone accept his sister.
Oh my god, Rengoku, you're spitting facts. Oh my god, bro.
And that perfect summary.
Oh my god.
Mhm.
Sí, pero no gusta tu muerte.
Oh, but we can still feel sad.
Por lo menos
Oh my god.
tenemos un ayudante tuyo que puede
See,
ser
even he
siguiente
calls him
Hashirama del
Boarhead
fuego.
guy. I love it.
La otra cubierta.
Young boarhead, yellow boy.
Hashira, no Hashirama.
He wants. Oh, he's passing the mantle. He's passing
Yeah,
the mantle.
gold.
to
This is a
Tanjiro.
great character, bro. I can't believe we lost him, man. My eyes, bro. That bitch burns, bro.
Dang.
It burns.
Oh,
But he took my sword.
No, ya está bien.
Wow, I can't
wow.
believe this. I can't believe he.
His
No,
mom.
mira, es en serio.
no way.
Oh, not
¿Vieron
this.
ese?
Oh.
Eso.
Those
El
eyes of
detalle
hers.
His
de
time's
Tanjiro
come.
y su
Oof.
madre.
Oh,
Oh my
Tanto
god.
la
I'm
calidad
okay.
que tiene este-
Man, enough with the tears. Stop.
Yo sé que soy
Oh my
muy
God.
pesado, muy pesado con eso. Pero esto es lo que hace hermoso a un anime.
Yeah, he protected the
Dude,
weak.
Rengoku.
Did it well. Did it very well.
Esta calidad.
Aw.
Smile. She's proud of you.
Ah, that
He's
smile.
happy.
Wow.
Nice.
Mirá, se disfruta mucho más un anime así que dibujado.
Oh, God.
Dibujado como la mierda.
I'm
Rengoku.
fucking dying.
Spirit of
Good
his
guy.
mother.
No. Yes.
Demon Slayer, why you had to do that, bro?
Acostado así, por favor.
Oh, fuck, I hit my
Me
head.
hace muy mal.
Oh,
La escena muere
That's so
bien
sad.
raro el sol cuando sale.
the
Oh,
upper moon, they
okay.
did it, bro.
Wow. I knew this was gonna happen. I mean, I knew it, but
Oh my god.
He was already worn out when he was
I
fighting.
can't believe it either.
that
What the
top
heck?
Here,
lady.
Riley Wiggs needs some good timing.
Why would he come, bro?
it's just too early.
Porque es un hijo de puta.
This is
He
not a
died with a
game
smile on
anymore.
his
Like, I
face.
think this is time for you to.
His mate couldn't do anything.
Simon murió sentado como un hombre, o sea, ni siquiera
With a
se cayó
smile on
sentado.
his face.
It is first.
Cause I never thought like the Hashiras was just introduced in a couple episodes back, and I never.
life,
Oh
man.
my
Fuerte
god.
y pierde
Yo,
gente.
This
How it
one
goes.
was sleeping the whole
I'd
time.
really love to hear what's on Inosuke's
He
mind
slept
too.
throughout the whole fight.
Patience.
Dale, Tanjiro, no me hagas
Bro,
llorar.
this is
No me Inosuke, no llores vos también, por favor, que me vas a hacer llorar.
Inosuke?
Inosuke, por favor.
Oh wow. Oh my god.
He got a lot of shoes to fill,
that's
bro.
right. You tell
God,
him.
just
All three
Inosuke's
guys.
voice, dude. That hit me.
It's right.
Yeah, but you're crying.
Yo, whoever's Inosuke's voice actor, he's a goat, man.
Thank you, poor guy. Thank you.
Y lo
Says
conocí
while he's
Shut up, no, I'm not.
6 horas.
Oh
No
my
sé cuánto lo
god,
un par de horas
dude.
nada más.
See, like I said, he ain't crying.
Oh man.
Knocked him out.
Oh man.
Busted. I'm not crying. I'm
It's
sweating.
okay,
Oh,
you
God, I love
Inosuke.
those guys so
It's
much.
This guy
okay.
Rengoku
Oh, I just
died.
knocked him out.
His body never touched the
Aw.
ground. The fire
We're
Hashira
gonna
the
trade
way
it. I
out.
like
Inosuke is right.
Immaculate, bro.
Wait, what happened
That's
to all the passengers?
crazy.
Did they get out safely,
Oh, so many
or they went
tears.
back to the train?
Oh
or what?
man, Inosuke really hit me, man. Inosuke really
Man,
hit
this guy Azaya, whatever his name is.
Because normally you
Akazaya.
never really see
there's no
Inosuke
motivation on
emotional.
the
Bro,
head.
you're gonna give relay
Like
the
we
message?
did see him sad
three of them
after
had the
Mount
motivation.
Wow, man.
Mount Nanagumo.
Crying.
¿Y dónde está?
Oh wow, even the crow.
Respect, bro.
Even the
my
crows
brother.
are
The
great.
bird.
No,
Even the birds
bird
cry.
has to
Cry.
be before nap
I got
too.
you tearing up too,
Shinobu
man.
Kanao.
Dude, Inosuke
The leader
really.
There's
told
a
him
picture.
that
Oh
one
my
of
god.
his Hashiras died.
Ahí sí, ahí se enteró.
At the beginning, he was counting so many names.
Hearing
can never
That's
remember.
right.
Inosuke's
I
voice
don't know, I just
waver
felt like
like
going
that,
back
that
to
hit
Hashiras
me
Hashiras
so
would be
so
different. I don't know why I thought
I
that.
forgot
Yeah,
her
the
name,
call.
Yeah, they should have
And now they're
brought
letting
two
all the other
Oh, the
Hashiras.
young
know.
one?
No, the Hashira.
He doesn't care.
Oh,
We got the flamboyant guy.
Rengoku, indeed, he was a very cool guy.
And I'm sure the big dude
we've
He
lost
couldn't
one.
do it,
is
bro.
probably already crying.
The snake guy.
Have
I
they
love
never
how
faced
all
an
of
upper
their
ring
crows are individually.
or upper
You
moon?
guys saw
Hairstyle.
the crow even
Girl
shed
shocked.
tears.
Oh my
for
god, the praying guy.
Rengoku.
I think he's like
Make
the
all of
stone.
you
Oh
train.
wow, those two are trained
Ready to
together.
deliver the message.
Every character is just so
To be
beautifully
honest,
designed.
Magnus.
Bro. This guy, bro.
Que Rengoku haya
Why are
muerto.
those two together? I find it very interesting.
Yeah, this is only
Oh,
fueling
God,
his
he's a-
rage.
he's a
It's only
threat.
giving him another reason.
You.
Sos un hijo de puta, pero en este
Gyu.
momento estoy de tu lado.
Thank
This guy's a
you.
stone face killer. He been through this. That's tough, bro. The Demon Slayer corpse got it
Reacción,
bad,
Guille,
bro.
una puta reacción,
Oh
Guille.
man, and he just came back from
Dale,
the
una reacción.
I wanna watch the
from the
series again.
graveyard too.
Not a
Season
single
2 becoming
person
soon
died.
enough.
Fue Shinobu.
He got on the
My
train. His
God.
job was to make sure nobody died. He made sure
He did a
nobody
Amazing
died.
one.
job.
He's not sad.
Vos también, ¿no? Vos también te vas a morir, bueno, moriste, ni siquiera te preocupas por tus hijos, ni una lágrima
Don't
derramas.
say that.
Yo te veo sonriendo,
Really?
estás hablando de la muerte de uno de tus hijos.
Oh my
Está bien,
god,
seguramente te
you
duele,
guys.
pero no me sonrías. Sufrí una cara triste por lo menos.
Feel
Damn.
that
Holy
sun, bro.
Way to
It's
end.
already almost over, dude. I wanted to go on.
Okay, I finally calmed down a
Yeah.
little
Sí,
bit.
más
But
seguro.
This shit burns when I
Lo
put
bajé
it on
antes porque
too,
estaba
man.
fuerte, pero ahora si
Dude,
me ponen soundtrack triste y la muerte de un personaje,
is it actually?
That's
me
the
llama la
end of
canción
the
de
movie.
Lisa.